So we've come to Wembley Park today. They have what's called a winter light trail, and our journey will end in the outlet mall where they have the London's tallest LED Christmas tree. So it all sounds good. Let's go and see what it looks like. Okay, so this is the first installation, which is called Celebration, and it's just below the overpass, and you would come to it as you exit Wembley Park station going towards the shopping centre. It's an array of LED lights on the ceiling and on the walls. Decent. So this one's called Reunited in Light. It's a series of light arches in the middle of the shopping centre. Looks pretty cool. So this is an exhibition called United in Light Photography Exhibition. It's a series of photographs that are backlit of artworks from various different artists. So just before we get to the last stop, which is the Christmas tree, this one here is called the Star Box. It's like a box with a star.
It looks really nice.
Very sparkly. So over there, just behind you, is London's tallest LED Christmas tree. That's our last stop of this light trail. It looks pretty cool actually. Yeah, let's go and have a look. So one installation we forgot about, called Shadows on the Wall, is this really cool light wall that follows you where you go, and it's right next to the Christmas tree. Okay, so we hope you enjoyed this video of the winter lights in Wembley Park. It's definitely worth checking out. Lots of little bits of fun, yeah, don't miss it before it all goes away after Christmas. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and
if you already subscribed, do not subscribe again.
Yes please. See you later.
See ya.